Hi guys, we're at Fagans level crossing in South Wales of the 250 tunnel. The train to Milford is just gone. And I was going back down. Wow. And there we go, and the time is now 18:10 on Saturday the 7th of July 2018. This will possibly be for 18:13, expected 18:12, so that means 1 minute early. We've changed rail service from I believe Llanelli to Cardiff Central. I went to Llanelli earlier and met up with someone who lives in Llanelli, and he's got a YouTuber account called Sion's Train Videos. So if you guys haven't seen him on his channel, check him out. Let's go over 100 subs as well. Oh, so we're lucky, we can get a freight train as well. Yeah, that will stay here. It doesn't seem like I think it'll pass 16:13. Yeah, it's 1 minute early. Oh, it's on 153. We've got 153 for 20, 153 for 20 to Cardiff Central, and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.